I choose to be a tutor at Inktank Academy because for me it was a great opportunity to show what I can teach or give to some students, but also be part of this community where there's tutors and also students. So when I was a student in Paris, I mean, it was, of course, I had a great time and it was like really nice, but sometimes there was like a bit missing this professional side. Sometimes when we have classes, we want some feedbacks from real designers. So that's maybe something that was missing, to have this community of designers really explaining us how it is to actually work in an industry like the car industry. And the good thing about Inktank is that it's online, so that means that I can still work on my job here in Sweden and still give feedbacks and comments and lessons and videos to everyone who's around the world. So that's actually a really good thing. So even if there's like a distance, I can still give feedbacks. I think the future of learning is really going into the e-learning, on internet, where if you want to learn something, you just stay at home and you can still have really good feedbacks from professionals, and yeah, have a great course and a great teaching environment still if you stay at home.